Spider. Can you hold this for a second?
There it is.
Shit.
Damn, this thing's huge.
Set right there, dude. Where's he at? Can't see him yet.
Yeah. He's pulling drag out. Careful, it's on 30 pounds. Yeah. Let it down.
Put up fight.
You ready to grab it, Nick? Put the gloves on if you want. Dude, this is disgusting. You gotta walk over James, you know he's mine now.
No, that's his other one.
You want you to walk with it? Oh, dude, that's huge! Holy fuck, look at it!
Holy shit!
That's a fucking river cat right there. It keeps swimming away.
Well, bring it in 2 minutes because I'm almost out of tape.
Woo. Real new record. Damn!
Woo!
Holy fuck, that's a picture right there.
Whoa! Bring him out of the water.
Come on, he got it. Fuck yeah. How heavy is that fucking thing? Holy shit!
Feel that shit, dude.
Is it on there tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Joe, hold that up to you.
Holy fuck, dude, that's 80 pounds right there.
Aaron, hold it. Joe, hold it up to you.
Oh, you get this? I got it. You got it?
Hold this close.
The manhole. See this?
Here, let me get a picture.
Holy fuck.
Here, grab
the camera, get a picture. I'll get a picture with it as soon as Jamie takes it.
Fuck yeah. Wow.
35, 30.
What's that?
32?
34, I say.
34.
34 and a half.
Oh, yeah, right
Squeeze the tail. 33.
Ooh. Okay, see this?
Wow. Ryan, what do you think about that?
It's a big fish.
Is that it?
Monster.
Big shit.